Next scene, the chubby orange cat puts the dirty laundry into the washing machine. Action! Cut. Mr. Orange Cat, you've got fur, but you're not laundry. Or, wait, are you trying to wash yourself? Again! Cut. Stop right there. Don't go crazy on me. You scared the life out of me. Don't do anything dangerous around the baby. Again. Cut. Hey, not the laundry basket. That's a prop, not for the washer. You break it, it's coming out of your paycheck. Again. Finally, we survived. That's a wrap, everyone. Go home safe tonight. Next scene, the chubby orange cat uses the shower head to rinse the bubbles off the baby. Action. Cut. Hold on, props department. What's in that shower head? Water or foam? Again. Cut. Whoa, orange cat, why are you so hyped? Calm down, you're not some kung fu master. Again. Cut. I can't believe what I just saw. Did the baby just pull out an umbrella? No magic tricks in this scene. Again. All right, finally, that's the right way. Good enough, everybody wrap it up. Next scene, the chubby orange cat scoops hot milk from the pot into the cup. Action. Cut. Orange cat, the order's wrong. Listen carefully to my directions. Again. Cut. Why are you holding that kettle? The pot's already full of milk, and besides, the kettle is for water. Again. Cut. Not yet. It's not time for the baby to drink milk. And when it is, make sure you check the temperature. Again. Nice job this time. Really solid performance. Well done. Everyone wrap it up. Next scene, the chubby orange cat covers the baby with a blanket as the baby drifts to sleep. Action. Cut. What? You think your fur is warmer than the blanket? That's hilarious. Again. Cut! Oh, baby wants a cuddle now? Adorable. Once we wrap, you'll get the biggest hug ever. Again. Cut! Chubby cat, you covered the baby's head. That's dangerous. Looks like you need a crash course in baby safety. Again. Perfect! That's a wrap, everyone. Let's wrap this up fast so I can still make it to my dinner date. Next scene, the chubby orange cat notices the crying baby, then looks around. Action. Cut! Well, that wasn't in the script, but hey, a cat chasing a mouse is just nature. Again. Cut! Oh, my baby, how do you cry and break character by laughing at the same time? No giggling on set. Again. Cut! Chubby cat, what are you doing? Your role is not to stop the crying with cat logic. Again. All right, fine. Let's wrap it up here. You're an animal actor after all, so I'll let it slide. Next scene, the Shiba Inu brings the ball to the baby. Action! Cut! Shiba, you're supposed to drop the ball, not walk straight at me. Again! Cut! Hey, sweetheart, you just sit still on the blanket, okay? Next take, no crawling forward. Again! Cut! Give the Shiba a smaller ball. Safety first. We don't want it getting stuck. Again! All right, that's good enough for today. Not perfect, but usable. That's a wrap, everyone! Next scene, the Shiba Inu watches the baby eat pumpkin puree. Action. Cut. Sweetie, it's you who's supposed to eat the pumpkin puree, not the dog. Stay focused. Again. Cut. Sweetie, use the spoon. Not the whole bowl, you'll choke like that. Again. Whoa! Unbelievable. First a gorilla doing magic tricks, now a Shiba Inu too? What a cast. Again. All right, that's solid work from everyone. Well done. Perfect wrap, people! Next scene, the chimp puts the blanket over the baby. Action. Cut! Chimp, are you cold? Cold enough to steal the baby's blanket? Again. Cut! You just covered the baby's face. He needs to breathe, remember? Again. Cut! Baby, stay down on the bed. No sitting up, please. We're not shooting an action movie. Again. All right. All right. Finally looks cozy enough. That's a wrap, everybody. All right. Next scene, the gorilla turns and hangs the bedsheet on the clothesline. Action. Cut. Gorilla, what are you? A Persian dancer? If you actually know how to belly dance, go ahead. I don't mind a little show. Reset. Cut. A little less muscle, please. You broke the clothesline. Salary deduction for damages. Reset. Cut. Wow. What are you doing? This will affect the baby's breathing. Reset! You know what? I'm done. Wrap it up, people. That's a day. Next scene, gorilla taking pictures of the baby. Action! Cut! Gorilla, are you taking a selfie? That's a camera, not a phone. Point it at the baby! Again. Cut! Oh no, the baby's crying! Gorilla, cheer her up! Quick, we're on the clock! Again. Cut. Listen, once we're done filming, you can play with the camera for 3 hours, deal? But right now, focus. Again. All right, good enough. Baby's fine, everybody? That's a wrap! Next up, the gorilla's cleaning duty. Action. Cut. Baby, behave. Here's your lollipop. Now, don't cause trouble during the shoot, all right? Reset. Cut. Mr. Gorilla, just repeat what you did in the very first take. That one was actually correct. Reset. Hold on, are you messing up on purpose? Hoping I'll hand you candy too? Not a chance. Do it right. Reset. Okay, that's enough. Finally over. Everyone, wrap it up.